Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with DJ. Friends, this video is made for Maharashtra State Board students. In this video, we are going to see the brainstorming of 4.2, that is to serve with love. Friends, it is the first part of brainstorming. Let's begin. Friends, we have to do the brainstorming on character, plot, setting, theme, and language. In this video, we are going to see the first two elements, character and plot. Let's begin with the first, that is character. Brainstorming of characters. First question, which one among the following is a teacher in the extract? एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट मध्ये खाली दिलेल्या 4 व्यक्तीपैकी कोण टीचर आहे हे आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट वन. ऑल्सो साइट अ कपल ऑफ लाइन्स फ्रॉम द एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट इन सपोर्ट ऑफ युअर आन्सर. आपल्या आन्सरला सपोर्ट करण्यासाठी एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट मधील एक लाइन सुद्धा आपल्याला इथे द्यायची आहे. लेट्स सी द ऑप्शन्स. डेनहॅम, सॅपिन्यू, मिस जोसेफ अँड डेल इव्हान्स. These are the option, and friends, the correct option is D, Dale Evans. Now we have to find out the line from the extract which will support our answer. Lines from the extract which support my answer is: the names were called Mr. Watson, Mrs. Dale Evans, Mrs. Phillips, Denham, and Mrs. Joseph. Led the others off the stage, and the teachers took their seats. It is the supporting line. Let's see the next question. Complete the table highlighting the various traits of the major characters in the extract. एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट मधल्या जे मेजर कॅरेक्टर आहेत त्यांचे ट्रेट्स सांगायचे आहेत, म्हणजे क्वालिटीज आपल्याला मेन्शन करायचे आहेत. फर्स्ट आहे डेनहॅम. डेनहॅमच्या 3 क्वालिटीज आपल्याला इथे सांगायच्या आहेत. फर्स्ट आहे कॉन्फिडंट, सेकंड क्रिटिकल, थर्ड कॉर्टियस. These are the 3 qualities. Next character आहे मिसेस फिलिप्स. मिसेस फिलिप्स यांच्या 3 आपल्याला क्वालिटीज सांगायच्या आहेत. फर्स्ट आहे सी इज स्मार्ट, सेकंड ऑनेस्ट, अँड थर्ड ऑथॉरिटेटिव्ह. दीज आर द क्वालिटीज. नेक्स्ट कॅरेक्टर आहे फर्नमॅन. फर्नमॅनचं क्वालिटी फर्स्ट आहे ड्रॅमॅटिक, सेकंड क्वालिटी इथे सांगता येईल क्लिअर, आणि थर्ड क्वालिटी आहे प्रिसाइज. नेक्स्ट पुढचा कॅरेक्टर आपण पाहू पॉटर. पॉटरच्या 3 क्वालिटीज आपल्याला सांगायच्या आहेत. क्लिअर आहे, नेक्स्ट नॉलेजेबल आहे, अँड थर्ड कन्साइज. दीज आर द 3 क्वालिटीज ऑफ पॉटर. वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. द नरेटर प्लेड अ क्रिटिकल रोल इन ब्रिंगिंग अ सिग्निफिकंट चेंज इन द स्टुडंट्स. विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये महत्वपूर्ण बदल घडून आणण्यामध्ये या नॉव्हेलचा जो नरेटर आहे यांनी खूप क्रिटिकल रोल प्ले केलेला आहे. एक्सप्लेन द स्टेटमेंट्स बाय साइटिंग सम रेफरन्सेस फ्रॉम द एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट. एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट मधून काही रेफरन्सेस आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे आहेत आणि ते इथे एक्सप्लेन करायचे आहेत. लेट्स सी द आन्सर. द नरेटर बिलॉंग टू ब्लॅक रेस अँड जॉइंड अ स्कूल ऑफ लंडन वेअर मॅक्झिमम पीपल वेअर बिलॉंग टू द व्हाईट रेस. The discrimination between white and black race was first experienced by the narrator. He had a very difficult time with the students in the beginning. The students were rejected from another school and admitted this school. They were disrespectful, ill-mannered, and mischievous. They considered the teacher arrogant outsider, unfamiliar with the social environment where they have grown up. They harassed the narrator by beating the benches, speaking in odd language, or not obeying him. But the narrator tolerated all the things without thinking seriously. He used to neglect and forgive them. Instead, he used the respectful words miss for the girls and sir for the boys. Thus, he handled the students in a very amicable way. There was a big change in the students' behavior. This is proved on the day of the half-yearly reports of the Students' Council. They presented their reports confidently and clearly. They were cool and efficient in their work. They were respectful to the teachers and accepted the verdict of the teachers. This shows the significant and crucial change brought out by the narrator in his students. Let's move forward to the next question. Fun brought a comic relief in the students' council program. Explain. Let's see the answer. In order to explain a point, Fun made a signal to someone off stage. Two students, Welch and Allison, appeared bearing a skeleton between them with a sort of gallows. When this arrangement had been set up, there was the skeleton hanging from a hook screwed into the top of its skull, gently revolving at the end of the cord. These brought some comic relief to the proceedings and the students laughed uproariously. This is the answer of this question. We will move forward to the next question. Give a brief character sketch of. खाली काही कॅरेक्टर दिलेले आहेत त्यांच्याविषयीची माहिती आपल्याला लिहायची. डेनहॅम, मिस जोसेफ, द नरेटर, मिस डेअर, मिस फिलिप्स. लेट्स सी वन बाय वन द कॅरेक्टर स्केच. फर्स्ट आपल्याला कॅरेक्टर स्केच लिहायचं डेनहॅमचं. लेट्स सी द आन्सर. Denham was one of the most senior student of the school. He was important official of the program of the student council. He was confident. He addressed the girls as Miss. He was a trained boxer. He didn't want PT exercise because he feels unnecessary for him. He presented different views regarding PT and games. He had critical and argumentative views initially, but when Miss Phillips gently replied to his arguments, he accepted politely his defeat. This is what about the Denham. We will see the next character, that is Miss Joseph. Let's see. Miss Joseph was also important official of student council. She was one of the most senior student. She sat on the stage beside Mr. Florian with composure. She addressed the audience with confidence. We will move forward to the next character, that is the narrator. The narrator, Braithwaite, was Gainesville-born British-American novelist, writer, teacher, and diplomat. He was best known for his stories of official conditions and racial discrimination against black race. After serving in army, he faced discrimination against black race. He got a job of a teacher. Initially, he faced difficult times in school. The students were mischievous, disrespectful, and bad-mannered, and they harassed him. But due to the innovative techniques and understanding power, he won the heart of the students. These qualities helped him to bring significant change in the students' lives. He observed the confidence, respectful behavior, and coolness of the student in student council. This is what about the narrator. Next character आहे D. Miss Dare. Let's see the answer. She is students representative who presented the subject psychology and Fun. She spoke about the problem of humanity they face in terms of sickness and diseases, and the advantage gained by interchange of knowledge, advice, and assistance. Her contribution was something of an anticlimax after Fun's performance. She seemed to realize it but continued with her speech. This is what about Miss Dare. Next and the last, Miss Phillips. Let's see. Miss Phillips is the teacher. She was one of the teachers from the teachers panel selected for the answering the questions while student council. She interviewed skillfully when other teachers were at loss. She spoke with authority honestly and coolly. She controlled her class very well. According to her, the whole timetable in the school is meant to help all the students in the world after they leave the school. She explained the importance of the PT too. This is what about the Miss Phillips. We will move forward to the next question. Question number 6. Compare the following characters. खाली दिलेल्या कॅरेक्टरचं कंपॅरिझन आपल्याला करायचं आहे. मिस जोसेफ अँड डेनहॅम, फर्नमॅन अँड मिस डेअर, मिस फिलिप्स अँड डेनहॅम, नरेटर अँड द हेड ऑफ द स्कूल यांचं कंपॅरिझन करायचं आहे. लेट सी वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट मिस जोसेफ अँड डेनहॅम. First point, both these two were important officials for the function of the half-yearly report Students' Council. Second point, both were business-like and efficient while allocating tasks and fitting in the program. Next point, both addressed the audience with confidence while Denham was blunt, critical, and argumentative while discussing the PT exercise that everyone has to do in the school. And the last point, he argued with Mrs. Phillips, but when Mrs. Phillips pleasantly and coolly put him in his place, he accepted his defeat graciously. This is what the comparison of Mrs. Joseph and Denham. Next point, फर्नमॅन अँड मिस डेअर यांचं कंपॅरिझन आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे. बोथ वेर रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह ऑफ द क्लास टू प्रेझेंट देअर सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज रिपोर्ट. सेकंड पॉइंट, बोथ डिस्कस द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ सायकोलॉजी बाय exhibiting a model of a human skeleton and stressing the conclusion that basically all people are the same. Next point, Miss Dare spoke about the problems all humans have to face in terms of sickness and diseases and advantages gained by the interchange of knowledge, advice, and assistance. The last point, Furman was clear, precise, and dramatic. He kept audience spellbound by speech. He was clever while questioning the teachers. Next, पुढचं कंपॅरिझन आहे मिस फिलिप्स अँड डेनहॅम यांच्या विषयीचं. Miss Phillips was best informed of the three teachers on the stage. Next point, she interviewed skillfully when the other two teachers were at a loss. Third point, she spoke coolly and honestly and with authority. Next, Denham was an important official of the program. He was blunt, critical, and argumentative while discussing the PT exercise that everyone has to do in the school. Next, he told that timetable in the school is meant to help the students in the world after they left the school. And last, Denham accepted the defeat graciously. Next comparison आपल्याला पाहायचे narrator and the head of the school. First point, the narrator was a teacher, sensitive and upset about the vaccine. Next, he faced very difficult time with the students who were disrespectful, ill-mannered, and mischievous. Third, he didn't lose his patience and implemented his novel ideas and techniques to handle the students. This helped him to make significant changes in the students' behavior. Next point, the head of the school, Mrs. Florian, addressed the school on the day of the half-yearly report of the Students' Council. Next, he spoke about the aims and the policy of the school and important contribution of each child. He praised wherever necessary. This is what the comparison of the characters. Now we will move forward to the second point, that is plot. The brainstorming of the plot. Let's begin. A2. Arrange the incident in correct sequence as per their occurrence in the extract. खाली काही इन्सिडेंट्स दिलेले आहेत ज्याचा आपल्याला सिक्वेन्स लावायचा आहे. लेट्स सी. Denham was outwitted by Miss Phillips. Second दिलेला आहे the head of the school closed the proceedings. C. Denham asserted that PT period were a waste of time. D. The sleeves were folds and placed in a hat. E. Furman was as usual a trump card. F. Denham called out the names of the representatives. And G. Students' Council was held every year on November 15th. Let's see the answer. First, Student Council was held every year on November 15th. Second, Denham called out the names of the representatives. Third, Furman was as usual a trump card. Fourth, the sleeves were folded and placed in a hat. Fifth, Denham asserted that PT period were a waste of time. Sixth, Denham was outwitted by Miss Phillips. And the seventh and the last, the head of the school closed the proceeding. This is what the sequence. Now we will arrange the sentences by sequence. या पद्धतीने आपल्याला सिक्वेन्स लिहायची आहे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन A2. Describe in brief the purpose of the organizing the half yearly report program of Student Council. स्टुडंट काउन्सिलचा प्रोग्राम का घेतला जातो याच्याविषयीचं थोडक्यात माहिती लिहायची. लेट्स सी द आन्सर. द स्टुडंट्स काउन्सिल वॉज हेल्ड एव्हरी इयर ऑन November 15th. Each class representative would report their studies pursued during half year. A representative was chosen for each subject. After the report, one panel of teachers would be appointed to answer the questions arising out of the various reports. The overall importance was given on the what they understood rather than what they were expected to learn. Now we will see the next question. Question number 3. Write in your words the entire half yearly report program of Students Council. पूर्ण प्रोग्राम विषयीची इन्फॉर्मेशन आपल्याला इथे लिहायची आहे. Let's see the answer. The Students Council was held every year on November 15th. Each class representative reports here what they or how much they have learned. Miss Joseph and Denham were important officials of the Students' Council. Both were representative of the narrator's class. Preside over the meeting, the head of the school, Florian, addressed the meeting. After that, one by one, each class gave brief report of their progress. A panel of the teacher was chosen to answer any questions out by the students. The council began with the lowest class. The oldest class was the last. The students were shy and new for the meeting. Miss Joseph presented the common theme of the term of the interdependency of mankind. Potter spoke about the maths. Miss Peg and Jackson spoke about geography. Miss Dare and Friendman presented the knowledge of the subject psychology. Friendman brought the human skeleton, proved that basically all the people are the same. Miss Dodd reported history and Miss Joseph reported domestic science. Denham criticized the PT subject and games. Mr. Watson, Mrs. Dale Evans, and Mrs. Joseph were the teachers in the selected panel. Mrs. Joseph explained the importance of PT with coolly and honestly. Finally, Denham accepted the defeat and agreed with Miss Joseph's point about the PT. The narrator was very happy and satisfied to see the progress and confidence of his students. This is for the answer. Next question. Question number 4. Describe the question answer session that took place at the end. त्या प्रोग्रामच्या शेवटी जो क्वेश्चन आन्सर सेशन झालेला आहे त्याच्याविषयीचं आपल्याला माहिती लिहायची आहे. लेट्स सी. There was question answer session at the end of the report presentation of the students. The teachers had to answer the question of the students. one of the most discussed question about PT subject raised. Miss Phillips answered coolly and honestly rather than the two teachers. Friendman was skillful in asking questions. Denham was blunt, clever in his criticism. He criticized the PT and game in the school. He said there is wasting of time by practicing PT and games twice weekly. Miss Phillips replied coolly and honestly that subject including PT and games had been considered carefully and fitted in the timetable so that students got maximum benefit from it. Denham replied only the kids who needed it could take it, others who wanted football or any other game for them it was useless. But Miss Phillips replied this one is putting important of the PT subject in the school. She said the whole timetable in the school was meant to help them in the world after they left the school. The answer defeated Denham and he accepted too. This is what the answer is. We will see the next question, that is A2 5. Describe the discussion that took place between Miss Joseph and Denham. There are no discussion between Miss Joseph and Denham. Friends, this is what the brainstorming of characters and plot. We will meet in the next video for the remaining 3 points, that are setting, theme and language. Thank you very much for being with DJK. You can follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook. You can search my YouTube channel by name Dada Saib Kashi. This channel is for English learners only. Thank you very much.